Alright, what is going on, guys? Today's video we have a mod that we had for the Xbox Series X for about a year now. Now this is just a 1 year review. I like doing reviews of products that I like or products that I actually keep. 6 months, 12 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, etc. And this is the Xbox Series X extremerate mod for the Xbox Series X, obviously. And it's a about a $40 mod that you can get for the Xbox Series X. Really good. It doesn't really mess with the temperatures too much. Obviously it's LED, so it doesn't really give off a lot of heat. I do have a fan here just because I pushed the heat over to the side. I'm probably going to get a different mod that actually does a little better job instead of this, because right now it's just hanging onto a box, which is pretty ghetto, but it's whatever. It still works. But yeah, this is the Series X. I have it wall mounted with wall mount stud. For mount studs, they sent that one over, which I'm very thankful for, and it sits on the wall. It's non-anchored, so basically none of that. Like, I'm very happy about this product for sure. It looks good, and even if I have no lights on, which I'll go ahead and show you, you can actually see it right there, and it looks super cool. So when I'm gaming at night, you can definitely see that, and it looks really sick, especially on my ceiling and everything else like that. It looks amazing. So I really do like that. It's very, very bright. You can definitely see it, as you can see. I used to have it underneath my desk actually, but I did remove it just because I was always hitting my leg pretty much right there. It was right there. I was always hitting my leg out of my chair, and it wasn't feeling good. But anyways, that's pretty much the overall review. I really do like it. It's just the adhesive still sticks onto the actual surface and it does still work. Keep in mind, I will be doing multiple reviews, very short reviews, but they'll still be reviews nonetheless. Next step is going to be this keyboard here. I've had it for about almost 2 years now. So I'll be doing my 1 year review, and then shortly after I'll be doing my 2 year review, since I already skipped my 1 year review in March, I believe. Yeah. So we'll see that in the future, and we have multiple reviews coming up soon. So stay tuned for that, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And we out.